Wow, congratulations, Krishna Gravides of Baguio, winner Best in Swimsuit during final coronation night of Miss World Philippines 2024. Narito ating panoorin.
Yokonianas, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong video.